Hi boys and girls! Today we are doing Go Math Chapter 3. We are on lesson 3.6. Oops, here we go. 3.6, and it is page 161. 161. All right. So today's lesson, we're just using different strategies to add. So some of the strategies that we've been talking about in Chapter 3 are counting on. Also, we talked about doubles plus 1 and doubles minus 1. So on this page, they are showing us 4 plus 3, and they want us to come up with two strategies to add the same problem. So we have 4 plus 3. So the first strategy that comes to my mind is doubles, because I know that 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's a double that I know that's close to 4 plus 3. Then I know that 4 is 1 more than 3. So 3 is 1 less than 4. So I'm going to write 4 plus 3 equals blank. So you can really compare them when they're written on top and on bottom of each other. So I see that there's a 4 and a 4. That number, they're equal. 4 and 4 is equal to each other. Then I see a 4 and a 3. So I know that 4 take away 3 equals 1. So 3 is 1 less than 4. So then I want to think, what is 8? Take away 1. What's 1 less than 8? And I know 1 less than 8 is 7. So then I know that 4 plus 3 equals 7. So that's a strategy that I like to use because I really like my doubles and I know my doubles. The next strategy that we could use is just counting on. So I want to do 4 plus 3 equals blank. So let's see, if I have 4 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to write the number 4, and then I have 3 more circles, 1, 2, 3, and now I'm going to count on. So I'm going to say 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 equals 7, and I used counting on. Why is the sum the same when you use different strategies? Because you're still doing the same problem. We're still adding 4 plus 3. We're just doing it a different way. It doesn't matter which way you want to do it. If you want to use your fingers, if you want to use the number line, if you want to count on or use doubles, you should still get the same answer. All right, let's go ahead and turn the page. So in your slideshow today, I asked you to complete this page 162. 162. And it's really just a bunch of adding problems. Look at all these adding problems. You guys are going to be just adding masters. You can solve these, I would say, however you want. Even though it says in your book, use count on, or use doubles plus 1, or use doubles. You know what? Whatever way you need to solve these problems is okay. If you want to use your fingers, you go ahead and use your fingers. If you want to draw cubes, go ahead and draw cubes. If you just know the answer, go ahead and just write it down. It doesn't matter to me. So up at the top it says, these are the ways you have learned to find sums. You can count on. So this is how I like to count on. I look for the smaller number. So what's smaller, 9 or 1? 1 is smaller. I just put a little line under it, and I'm going to draw a circle. And then I'm going to count on. 9, 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. Here we go. What's smaller, 9 or 2? 2 is smaller. Make a little line under it, draw 2 circles. Then we just count on. 9, 10, 11. 9 plus 2 is 11. Here we go. 9 plus 3. Which one is smaller, 9 or 3? 3 is smaller than 9. Then draw 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. And then we just count. 9, 10, 11, 12. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. This little fish says you can use doubles, doubles plus 1, and doubles minus 1. So this is another strategy. If 5 plus 5 is 10, we know that because we know our doubles. We know our double song. Remember, doubles, doubles. We can add doubles. It's no trouble. We can add doubles. We know all our doubles. So if we know 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, and we know that 6 is 1 more than 5, so if you add 1 to 5, you get 6. So let's add 1 to 10. 10 plus 1 more is 11. So 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. So that's a doubles plus 1. See how we added 1 to both sides of our equation? On the bottom, you can see that the 4 is smaller than 5. So this is going to be a doubles minus 1 because 5 take away, I'll write it down here, 5 take away 1 is equal to 4. So now we're going to do 10 take away 1. 10 take away 1 is equal to 9. So we know that 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Let's look at the bottom. Counting on by 1, counting on by 2. This one, I would just draw circles. 4 plus 1 more. 4, 5. You're counting on. You start with that bigger number, and then you count the circles. 5 plus 1 more. 5, 6. All right. I want you to go ahead and finish the rest of the pages that were assigned in today's lesson. So do a great job, and remember, you can use your fingers, you can draw cubes, you can count on, you can use doubles. It doesn't matter to me as long as you're adding. All right, have a great day.